Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Property location, nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking a room for this property, then you can tell us right away. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience.